Hey, welcome back. In this episode, we're going to learn about Azure AD Connect Health. My name is Sushant Sutish, and I'm your trainer for this AZ-303 certification course. So, without wasting any more time, let's get into it. Azure Active Directory Connect Health provides monitoring of on premises identity infrastructure. It enables you to maintain a reliable connection to Office 365 and Microsoft Online services. This reliability is achieved by providing monitoring capabilities for your key identity components. Also, it makes the key data points about these components easily accessible. Now, let's look into why use Azure AD Connect Health. Azure AD helps users to be more productive because there is a common identity to access both cloud and on premises resources, ensuring the environment is reliable so that users can access these resources become a challenge. Azure AD Connect Health helps monitor and gain insights into your on premises identity infrastructure, thus ensuring the reliability of this environment. It is enabled by installing an agent on each on premises identity server. So, what are the key benefits and best practices? One of the key benefits is it gives you enhanced security. Another benefit is you can get alerted on all critical ADFS system issues, which include server configuration and availability performance and connectivity regular maintenance. Third benefit is easy to deploy and manage. Fourth benefit is rich usage metrics, which include top application usage, network location, and TCP connection token requests per server. And another benefit is great user experience, which include dashboard fashion from Azure portal alerts through emails. So let me quickly show you where you can find Azure AD Connect Health and how you can configure these settings for you. I'm on my Azure portal. Go to your Azure AD. Under Azure AD Connect, click on Health and Analytics. That is where you would be able to find Azure AD Connect Health. And under the Overview portal, you can download your Azure AD Connect Health agent for your ADFS or your Active Directory as well. So the Quick Start page gives you an ability to read about what is Azure AD Connect Health and ability to download all the tools. Sync errors display all the errors related to your agent and the services we mentioned before. If you want to find out where all it is installed and connected, you would be able to get that details over here. And this option shows your Azure AD Connect servers that Azure AD Connect Health is currently monitoring. Active Directory Federation services in this option shows all the ADFS services that Azure AD Connect Health is currently monitoring. And Active Directory Domain Services, this shows all ADDS forest that Azure AD Connect Health is currently monitoring. Under Settings, you can configure options which you can turn on and off. The automatic update of Azure AD Connect Health agent to the latest version and access to data from your Azure AD directly integrate by Microsoft only for troubleshooting purposes. The next one is Role-Based Access Control or IAM. This section is to manage the access to Connect Health data in role-based. That concludes this episode. In the next episode, we're going to look into Azure Virtual Networking. I will see you in the next one. Until then, take care.